Hey everyone, this is John from Civil Center and welcome to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with a vision to guide civil engineering student and professional. And for that, we have started this series in Tekla Structures where we are working on a steel project. And as you can see over here, we have already started working on the general arrangement drawing, that is also known as GA drawing. So we have learned a lot of things in how to modify a GA drawing, and today we are going to learn about how you can put text in your general arrangement drawing. So for that you have to go to annotation, and over there you'll find the option of text. If you are using some older version, then you will also find the same option in the drawing panel over here. Okay, so I'm using Tekla Structures 2020. So over here you will find the text, and now all you have to do is to just click on text, and then you have to select a place where you want to write it. Okay, now that is all. Now if you want to modify this text, then what you have to do, you have to simply double click on it, and you will be ready with a dialog box over here, that is the text properties. Okay, so over here you can just write any kind of text, like I want to go for a project of steel structure. Okay, now over here I want to write GA drawing. Okay, so these are the two things that I want to mention over here. So I can just click on modify, and you can see this will be applied at this place. Now what are the different things that you can do? You can change the color, you can also like make the background opaque or transparent, you can change the height. Suppose you want to go with a height of 10, then you can increase the height like this. Okay, then the next thing is about the font. So you can also select the different fonts. So you can see if you want to go with the Times New Roman, then you can simply search for the Times New Roman. Okay, suppose I want to go with this one, then you can select the size also and put it over here and click on modify, and you can see the font will be changed. Next thing is about the angle. So if you want to provide some kind of angle, then you can also provide that, and all you have to do is to click on modify, and it will be written with some angle over here. Okay, the next thing is about the alignment, how you want to align this text. Like right now it is aligned on the left side, you can just make it center also and click on modify, and it will be centered. You can go with the right modification or with the leader line also, so everything can be done over here. Then the word wrapping can also be done. If you want to turn it on, then you can just turn it on, and the word wrapping will be done if you will have less space over here. Okay, so suppose you have less space, I will just show you this option also. So if you have some kind of space like this, okay, now you want to compress this space, then what will happen, these words will be wrapped. Okay, so now the next thing is about the rural width, or you can just leave it like this. Then the frame type, leader lines and colors of the leader line, all these things will come into effect once you will simply go with the different patterns over here. Now there is one more thing that I want to show you. You can see there are different patterns that you can see over here, and the same options you will find in the text option also. Okay, so if you will just click over here, you will find text, then text with leader line, text a long line, then a long arrow at end, and a long line arrow at start. Okay, so these are the 5 options that you can see over here, and all these 5 options are representing the leader lines. So you can also find all those 5 options over here. Like if you want to go with text with leader line, then you have to, what you have to do is to just click on the like this option. Okay, and you will find a text with leader line. So this is the leader line that I was talking about. Now if you want to change the type of that, then you can also change the type. Like suppose you want to make an arrow, or if you want to make a circle. Okay, so you will just do it like this. So all you have to do is to click on modify, and it will be modified. If you want to change the size, like suppose you want to go with 4 and 4, then you can also increase the size from there. If you want to make it an arrow, okay, so you can also go with an arrow like this, like click on modify, and you will find an arrow over here. If you want to change the color of this leader line, then you can also do that like this. Okay, so all the things will be done in the simple way like this. Okay, And so if you want to select it and then you want to make it yellow, okay, and click on modify, then it will be converted to yellow color. Okay, so these are the different ways of dealing with this. And the next thing is yeah, so you want to place it at some particular position, then you can also do that. Okay, so these are the things that can be done from here. Now quickly just check for the other options also. Like if you want to write it in this way, you can see it can be written in this way, and same thing can be done for the text along line. Okay, so what actually happens in text along line, you can just slide the text and this will be slided in just this line that has been drawn over here. Okay, so it will not go in some other direction, it will just move along this line and nowhere else. Okay, then we have this this fourth option is along line arrow at end. Okay, so click on modify. So you'll find an arrow at end. Okay, now you can go for arrow at start and click on modify, and you will find the arrow at start. Okay, so let's go with this one and place it, or you can also go with just the text. Okay, and click on modify, and let's place it at the center, that is over here. Yeah, so now this is placed in a proper manner. Okay guys, so guys, this was about the text properties, how we can modify the text and how we can simply put the text in our GA drawing. Okay guys, so if you have any kind of confusion, you can simply ask that in the comment section, and if you have any suggestion for us, you can again visit our comment section. If you want to join the professional training of a civil center, then you will find a number on the screen. You have to just go ahead and WhatsApp on that number. Then if you have liked this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.